Welcome to the world of model kit painting techniques. Today, we delve into the importance of using primer on model kit pieces. Is it a crucial step or just an extra hassle? Primer plays a vital role in enhancing the adhesion of the color coat, reducing the need for multiple coats and aiding in defect detection. Primer paints will adhere better to the plastic surface of the model, better than the color coat will by itself. The color coat will adhere to the primer surface better than it will to the bare plastic. If the color coat is sprayed directly onto the plastic that does not have a primer sprayed onto it, the color coat can be rubbed off if handled a lot. A fairly light coat of primer is usually adequate. A good primer coat that gives good adhesion to the top coat will help keep the top coat from cracking, chipping, or peeling. Primer creates the proper shade under the color coat. Use a black primer for dark top coat colors and metals, gray primer for medium to light colors, and brown primer for reds. Say goodbye to cracked paint and hello to a durable, flawless finish. Check out more modeling tips at modelkitpro.com.